Let's divide four-digit numbers using short division. So first we have 9,764 divided by 4. Taking the first digit, 9 divided by 4 is 2, remainder 1. That's because 2 times 4 is 8, but then we need one more to get to 9. Now we have 17 divided by 4. That's 4 remainder 1, because 4 times 4 is 16, but then we need one more to get to 17. Now 16 divided by 4. That's exactly 4, with no remainder, because 4 times 4 is exactly 16. And now we have 4 divided by 4, which is 1, because 1 times 4 is 4. So our answer is 2,441. Now 7,088 divided by 8. Now if we look at this first digit, 7 is less than 8, and if the first digit is less than the divisor, we can speed up by taking the first two digits together and work out 70 divided by 8. That's 8 remainder 6, because 8 times 8 is 64, but then from 64 we need to count on another 6 to get to 70. Now 68 divided by 8 is 8 remainder 4, and that's because 8 times 8 is 64, but from 64 we need to count on another 4 to get to 68. And finally we have 48 divided by 8, which is 6, because 6 times 8 is 48. So our answer is 886. Now 9,765 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 is exactly 1, with no remainder, because 1 times 9 is 9. Now 7 divided by 9 is 0, remainder 7, because 0 times 9 is 0, but then we need another 7 to get to 7. Now 76 divided by 9 is 8, remainder 4. That's because 8 times 9 is 72, but from 72 we need to count on another 4 to get to 76. And now 45 divided by 9 is 5, because 5 times 9 is exactly 45. So our answer is 1085.